Good morning, everyone. Good morning. We have 7 minutes to go for the super amazing national test. NTA Abhyas mock test biology solving paper 1. So let's look at the code for the day. Yes. Let's look at the code for the day. It is join to slido.com and use the code 19523. Go to slido.com and use the code 19523. Yes, join into the quiz as fast as you can. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes for every participant to enter the quiz. Okay. I'm activating the quiz in 3, 2, 1 and activating the quiz. Go to slido.com and use the code 19523. Yes, without wasting the precious time, we are starting with a quiz. You can have the very first question on the screen. All of your eyes on the screen. You can have the very first question. Please don't forget to like the session right now. First question on the screen. The crucial requirement for the process of chemiosmosis is option A, membrane, B, proton pump, C, proton gradient, D, none of these. Yes. 10 seconds remaining for the question. The crucial requirement for the process of chemiosmosis is membrane, proton pump, proton gradient, none of these. The correct answer for the question is proton pump. Please make sure that you listen to the explanation. Guys, this is a membrane. Outer membrane and inner membrane. The H plus have either to be pulled out or they have to be pulled in. This should be made possible with the help of a proton pump. Okay, second question on the screen. The metamorphosis shown by cockroaches is complete with the egg and adult stages, complete with the egg, nymph and adult stages, incomplete with the egg, nymph and adult stages, incomplete with the egg and adult stages. Yes. 10 seconds for you to answer the question. Metamorphosis nymph and adult stages, because the nymph and adult of a cockroach resembles the same. The nymph of the cockroach represents the adult, so that is referred to as incomplete. NT Abhyas paper solving has become very difficult for the students. Yes, third question on the screen. When 12W plus pass through, I think it's H plus, okay. When 12H plus pass through F0, F1 particle, how many ATPs are produced? How many ATPs are produced? There are 6 ATP, 4 ATP, 8 ATP, or 10 ATP. Yes, tell me the correct answer for the question. Yes. The correct answer for the question is 6 ATP. Fourth question on the screen. Cytochrome is magnesium pyrrole ring, iron porphyrin ring, nucleotide and alloy of nichrome. The question is all about cytochrome. The question is all about cytochrome. It is a kind of an electron acceptor. A kind of an electron acceptor molecule. Am I right? So let's check what is the correct answer for the question. Yes, very good. It is an iron porphyrin ring. Fifth question on the screen. The phenomenon of the de-differentiation is regaining the capacity to divide mitotically by differentiated cell, the event of losing the ability to divide by de-differentiated cells, regaining the capacity to divide meiotically by differentiated cells, or regaining the capacity to divide meiotically by the re-differentiated cell. The question is asked about the de-differentiation. De-differentiation, the question is all about. And let's see the majority answer and the correct answer by 67% of the students. The phenomenon of de-differentiation, it is the regaining of the capacity of division. How? Mitotically. By which type of cell? Differentiated cells. Sixth question on the screen. The hormone that can replace the process of vernalization, the alternate hormone or the hormone that inhibits the process of vernalization. Cytokinin, gibberellin, auxin, ethylene. Yes, let me have the majority answer after 10 seconds. Yes. Oh my god. The answer is gibberellin. So the hormone that can replace, I think this would be the very first time that you see this question anywhere. Okay, I don't think where you have find this question in any other books, because it's the question which is found in the NTA Abhyas paper. National Testing Agency, you have the question. Mock test paper, you have the question. The answer is gibberellin. Seventh question on the screen. Very easy question, very easy question. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropods is formed by the polymerization of D-glucosamine, N-acetylglucosamine, lipoglycans, keratin sulfate. Yes, tell me. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropods is formed by the polymerization of D-glucosamine, N-acetylglucosamine, lipoglycans, keratin sulfate. The correct answer, N-acetylglucosamine. Eighth question on the screen. Which of the following combination is correct? Metal ion loosely attaches with the apo enzyme is called activators. Non-protein organic part attached tightly to the apo enzyme is called the prosthetic group. Non-organic protein part attaches loosely to the apo enzyme is called coenzyme. D, all of this. Yes. 67% with the correct answer, all of the above. Ninth question on the screen. Which of the following hormone stimulates RBC formation and is secreted by the justa glomerular cells of the kidney in response to hypoxia? Name the hormone that stimulates RBC production secreted by the justa glomerular cells of the kidney in response to hypoxia. Calcitrol, renin, erythropoietin, all of this. Yes, let's see the correct answer for the question. Yes, the correct answer for the question, erythropoietin. 10th question, after which you can see the first leaderboard or the rank on your respective devices. The concept that explains how the larger quantity of substrate is acted upon a smaller concentration enzyme is coenzyme theory, enzyme collision theory, induced fit theory, Locan key theory. Yes, let me get the correct answer for the question. Yes. The correct answer is Locke and Key theory. Locke and Key theory. Leaderboard for the day. First leaderboard for the day on the screen. Yes. According to my concept, most of the questions were simple. Oh my god. Payal Kakir is again the first position with 6 on 10. Guru 6 on 10, Shri 6 on 10, Rekraj Yadav 6 on 10, Muhammad Mustaqim 5 on 10. Oh my god, children, you are going day by day. Your level is going down with the questions level is being increasing. Bakney disease, fungal disease associated with the discovery of 2,4-D, gibberellic acid, indole acetic acid, abscisic acid. I'm asking about Bakney fungal disorder with the discovery of which phytohormone? Which phytohormone? Yes. Let's have the majority answer on the screen. The correct answer is gibberellic acid. It is gibberellic acid. Perfect. Okay. Moving on with the 12th question on the screen. The set of hormones that are collectively known as gonadotropins are oxytocin, FSH, LH, estrogen, progesterone, and LH, testosterone, estradiol, and FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. Yes. Asking about gonadotropin. Gonadotropin released by the anterior pituitary gland. or that helps in reproduction? Uh-oh. The correct answer for the question option A. Guys, estrogen and progesterone are never gonadotropin. They are sex hormones. Testosterone is not. Estradiol is also not a gonadotropin. Thyroid stimulating hormone. How can it be helping the reproductive processes? The correct answer, oxytocin, birth hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone. That is to be the answer, and that is the answer. 13th question on the screen. Again, a simple question. Lysergic acid, LSD, is extracted from Puccinia, claviceps, Muca, rhizopus. You have to understand that all these are fungi. All these are fungi. The question is LSD is obtained from. Yes, the correct answer by 79% of the students, that is claviceps. 14th question on the screen. Yes, the incipient nucleus is present in Synophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae. Yes, let me see whether all can get the questions or no. Yes, let's have the majority answer. 36% of the students with the answer Cyanophyceae. Guys, Rhodophyceae, algae, Chlorophyceae, algae, Phaeophyceae, algae, Cyanophyceae, bacteria, incipient nucleus, other name, nucleoid, present in prokaryotic organism. Yes, 15th question on the screen. Which of the following blood plasma protein is correctly matched with its function? Option A, albumin maintain water level and osmolarity of blood. Globulin helps in the produce antibody mediated immunity. Fibrinogen helps in coagulation of blood. And D, all of the above. Let's have the majority answer on the screen. Yes, 87% of the students with the correct answer for the question. 16th question on the screen. The largest ovules, largest male and female gamete, and largest plants are found among angiosperm, tree ferns, and some monocots, gymnosperm, dicotyledonous plant. Yes, let's have the correct answer for the question. Yes, largest ovule, largest male and female plant among gymnosperms. That is the answer for the question. 17th question on the screen. The volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle and per cardiac cycle is called dash, which is about dash. Select the correct option for X and Y respectively. The terms on the first you will denote for X and next is the Y. Stroke volume 70 ml, cardiac output 50 ml, isovolumetric systole 50 ml, isovolumetric diastole 30 ml. Yes. The correct answer is the volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle per cardiac cycle is called stroke volume, which is about 70 ml. 18th question on the screen. Archegoniate plants include. Archegoniate plants include. All these are separate. Bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperm, algae, fungi, bryophytes, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes. Two more questions remaining. Archegoniate plants include. Yes. It includes bryophytes, pteridophytes, and gymnosperms. 19th question on the screen. Flower is perigynous and ovary is said to be half inferior in rose, China rose, peach, plum, and all of this. Flower is perigynous and ovary is said to be half inferior in rose, peach, plum, all of this. The correct answer for the question is all of this. Flower is perigynous. Flower is said to be perigynous and ovary is said to be half inferior in rose, peach, and plum. So the correct answer will be all of this. Last and the final question on the screen. I cannot find any question and answer. No doubt. During the formation of leaves and elongation of the stem, some cells left behind from shoot apical meristem is known as shoot apical meristem, axillary buds, root apical meristem. Last and the final question. NTM Abhyas mock test paper number 1 biology solving from BioPoint stream, the world of bio. Yes. Keep your fingers crossed and wait for the result. 15 students in the last question and the leaderboard for the day. Very good. Shri is the winner. Shri is the winner with 15 on 20 points. Then we have Rekraj Yadav with 15 on 20 points. Muhammad Mustaqim with 14 on 20 points. And Guru with 14 on 20. Yamini with 14 on 20. I don't know where are my normal students. Where are the others? Anyway, this would be a chance for you to get into the other questions. Or please do watch the question again in YouTube and get the correct answer for the question for every time. Clear? Don't take these questions as to be silly. Okay? So thank you everybody. Today's Slido quiz is over. Stay tuned with your study. And bye-bye. Take care everyone.